Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create a payment link on PayPal using the latest mode of 2025. For that, first of all, you need to come at paypal.com and then log in into your business or your personal account. Now, payment links are available on both, but business accounts offer more features. Now, once you are on this page, you need to just click on the send and request option in the top menu. Over here, you need to choose the option of share your paypal.me or create a payment link option. If you don't have the paypal.me link set up, you may be asked to create a custom username first. You can choose to enter the specific amount or you can leave it open so that the customer can decide how much to pay. Then you can add a short description or a label if needed. Afterwards, you need to click on the create link or the copy link. Now you can share this link via your email, text, and social media. When someone clicks on it, they will be taken directly to a secure PayPal checkout. Bonus tip here is that you can use a QR code and paste the links in the invoices for faster payments from the clients or the customers. Over here you can click on the send an invoice option, but for this you will need to have a business account with PayPal. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.